Welcome to MLAC online tutorial. Before us is this physics question that say a 40 microfarad capacitor in series with a 50 ohm resistor is connected to a 100 volt 50 Hz AC supply. Now the questions are: draw a circuit diagram to represent the question, calculate the impedance in the circuit, also calculate the current in the circuit, and the PD, which is the potential difference across the capacitor. Okay, so how do we get started to solve this? All right, drawing this now, what do we do here? Since the capacitor is in series with 40 ohms resistor. Okay, so since they're in series, what we're going to do here now is draw this in series. Alternating currents. So here we have 40 ohms, 40 microfarad, and here we have 100 volt. All right, now this is the diagram to depict this. All right, so for us now to calculate the impedance, now take note, here we are having the capacitor and the reactance. So our impedance now will give us this. Okay, so and as such here, for us to calculate this, since we are given this, we have to find this. Here is known, which is this, but we don't know this one. All right, so for us to calculate this, 1/2 pi f the capacitance. So here we have the 1/2 times pi times our frequency, which is 50, then times capacitance, or rather the capacitor. You have a 40 times 10 to the power minus 6. Sorry. So here you have 1. Okay, bringing up this down here. You have 10 to the power 6. Then 40 times 50 here. There is 0, 0. I put 0, 0. Now 4 times 4 times 5 is 20. Then times 2 pi. Okay, so since we can cancel out 1, 2, 3. Now, so this one, cancel out 3 here, we have what? Remainder 3. So here you have 1000 over 4 pi. Okay, so 2 here, 2 here, 500, right? 2 here, 1, 2 here, we have what? 250. So our will now give us 250 over pi. Okay, now let us now put this into this above equation. So here you have the impedance, the resistance here is 40 raised to power 2, then plus this raised to power 2, that'll be 250 over pi, all raised to power 2. All right, so for us here now we have this will be 16, then 0, 0, now plus this raised to power 2, 25 raised to power 2, that will be 225, then 0, 0 over pi square. So as such, what do we continue to do here? So as such, here we have that. Now the square root, that is squaring both sides. Here we have 1600 plus 22500 over pi square. Now if we resolve this whole this, make where pi equals to 22/7. Now at the end of the day, now using calculator, for using punching our calculator here, so we end up having 88.99 ohms. Now which is 89 ohms. Alright, this is the final answer to the question. Okay, I guess we are left with the current. Alright, the current. So by the current we have here that v over what? Dependence here. So and such our voltage here is 100. Now over this our impedance 89, and using our calculator here, what we probably get is 1.12 amperes. Okay, all right, for us to now calculate, so for our PD across the capacitance, the capacitor, here we have that we now have I. So here, and our current is giving us this 1.12 now times our reactance which is giving us this. Okay, so that'll be 250/pi. All right, now we tend to resolve this with our pi, which is this, or 3.142. So punching our calculator here, we have 89.404. Okay, now our volt. Alright, this is the final answer. If you love what I've just done, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of every video on this platform. Thank you and God bless you.